Success, little bib.
Oh, it's recording.
Okay, come on, bib.
Come on, She wants to get all the same. Bibs. She wants to get it out.
I know.
Come on, Claire. Come on. Let's go play with Poppy.
Yeah, it's loose. Don't worry.
Come on, Claire.
He wants to go outside.
Wait.
Come on, bib. Alright, that's better. Go outside. Where you going, bib? Woo! Come on, bib. Come on.
Now you can see whatever she sees. Come on, Claire. Come on, baby. Yeah.
No, Claire, don't go eat my bananas cookies.
Kitty cat's up there.
Come on, Claire, keep walking.
Come on. I know.
Claire, no.
Kitty's up there.
I know.
You can smell her, can't you? Can't see her though.
It would have been easier to use my camcorder, but it would have been way heavier, and she wouldn't have been able to hold it probably.
Here, come here, Kitty. Oh, it's
I
okay.
should get one of those spy pens, and that way all we'd have to do is clip it on, and it would look straight ahead.
Yeah.
Come on, babe, keep walking. See, I told you she would be here.
Well, first
Look, yeah, I know, first she's kind of scratching it. Hold on. Hold on, babe. Hold on, babe. It's coming off. That's better. Good, babe. And you're shaking once again. She just doesn't like it under her collar. She doesn't like it under there, that's why. Which just gives me a really good idea. We should just tape it to her collar. The tape on the top of her collar.
She doesn't seem to mind at all. We should take a picture of that. The new age's dog. Complete with a camcorder. Sounded like she just laughed. She was like,
I want to get her running fast.
Come on. Gonna hurt you. There, look. It's Kitty.
Okay, got it. Alright, Claire, we're not going to put that under your collar anymore. Alright?
She looks enjoying it.
Claire, stop. It's alright. There's gonna be no more under the collar business. That would not be very fair to you. Alright, that's better. Much better, little bibs. Taping it. Oh, stop. Jesus.
It's facing up. It's okay. There we go.
Do you want me to put it on her head and wrap it around her throat?
No. I'm just saying. Okay.
Come on, babe.
Come on, Chloe, let's go inside. It's too hot out here.
Come on, little babe.
Come on.
No.
Is it still? Come on, Claire. Come see Courtney. Come see Courtney. Hi, Claire. Hello.
Claire.
Boys were having so much fun tonight. I thought I would never get them to bed. And then Ryan did the cutest thing. He asked if we could all pray together.
What did you pray about?
He met a dog. What do you think he prayed for?
Oh, ew. Oh. He triggers that dog.
And Jordan's very precise. He prayed for good visibility, good weather on the hiking trip tomorrow.
The hiking trip? Oh, right. Yeah, the hiking trip. Yeah.
You want to know what I prayed for?
Yeah. What did you pray for?
I prayed we would become closer as a family.
Honey, you don't need to pray for that to happen. I will make that happen.
What would you pray for?
Me? I don't know. Praying just...
Honey, you're the one who said you wanted to change the world. It's a pretty big job. If it were me, I would take all the help I could get.
Former Buffalo News anchor Kevin Baxter takes office tomorrow to make good on a lofty campaign promise.
What are we gonna do?
Good luck, Congressman. Many have tried, many have failed. This is Regina Sparks reporting for MS.
Where's the boob cam?
It's right on, Claire.
Watch it.
Okay, turn it off.